we're about to head to the beach, and I wanted to take a quick second to open up my new beach/garden cart here and get that ready to transport our stuff with us down to the beach. So I wasn't sure if it's going to take us any assembly to put it together. So I wanted to open it up here before we get out there and see what we're working with. So coming right out of the box, you can see we are going to need to do a little bit of assembly. We've got the handle, and then the rest of the cart itself. So it looks like it's going to be fairly easy. I'm going to go ahead and start cutting off any zip ties here and getting this ready to go. And we'll get it all together in time for us to go to the beach. All right, like I said, it was just a really quick assembly. The wheels were inside, folded inside with the folding wagon, and I was able to just take them and snap the square ones into the front post, and then the round ones here into this section of the front, and then the square ones into the back. And now turning it over, and you can see how easily foldable this is. Very nice. Able to open up to a nice large capacity here. That's going to be plenty good for our small family. And then we get the handle itself, and that last piece here is going to come right up here and snap right in. And with that, we are ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and get this loaded up into our other car with all of our beach stuff, and then I'll show you as we load this up and start taking it down to the beach. All right, as you can see, we've made it out here to the beach. Now we have a bit of a walk, and so now we're very excited to not have to pack mule all of this stuff. Is I can just open this cart nice and easy like that, and then start throwing things in here. One of the best parts about this cart is that it does have 2 cup holders right here in the front, so we're able to just throw our water bottles in like that. You can see how easy it is as well to have that 360 control and motion with the cart. And so as I move it around, we can take our jackets. It's always colder down at the beach. We've got our beach blanket. We have our big water jug. That's not going to fit in that cup holder, but it's going to fit just nice right in here. And then entertainment, books, chairs, etc. And with that, we're going to be ready to just cruise off down to the beach in no time. So all in all, very excited to have this new 120-liter cart. It's very easy to move. It was easy to put together, and it's folds down nice and well to just throw in any car at any point in time. That'll fit in a sedan, it'll fit in an SUV, and it'll take everything that you have in that trunk down to the beach with you with ease. So if you're looking for a new cart to make shopping in an urban area easier, to make getting down to the beach easier, to carry things through your garden, I highly recommend checking out this one. It couldn't get much better than this.